Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Lego Voyagers game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC and Steam as well. So for that, first go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After this, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system and Steam as well, and after this try to launch the game and see if it is working. If not, next solution is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and here under general you need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. This method is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go below, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will search for the best drivers or will update your drivers, and after that try to play the game and see if it's working. Nvidia and AMD users, just go through this link I have already given in the description, and from there you can easily update your graphics card, and after that try to play the game and see if it helps. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection. After that, click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings, and after that look for the game if it's listed over here. If not, no need to worry, we have the option to add the game. So in my case the game is listed. If it's not listed, you simply click on allow another app and click on browse. After that, go to the game folder or a game drive where it has been installed. Select the game application and you need to add it over here. After adding it, select it and make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. So after doing this, try to launch the game and see if it is working now. If not, next solution is to run game as administrator. So you should run the game from its installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and here you need to click on run this program as an administrator. Then hit on apply and OK. Now check if the problem is fixed. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, or even you can select Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and see if it was working. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK, and then check if it resolves the issue you are coming across. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, then click on installed files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and see if it is working or not. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, open Steam, click on Steam option over here, then go to settings, then go below, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled. You simply need to click on it to disable, and after that try to launch the game and see if it is working. For GeForce Experience, open the GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to Windows search for task manager. After that, under processes tab, you need to search for the app that is consuming high resources and is running without any use. So you simply need to select them. After selecting them, right click on it, click on end a task, and after that launch the game and see if it is working. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, again go to Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have the option of check for update. Simply click on it and it will search for any update is available. If there is any update, simply update your Windows, and after that try to launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, just go through the link that I have provided in the description. After opening this in your browser, download and install the files. After that, restart your PC and then log into the game and check if it can help you without any problem. So after copying it, paste it in your browser. From here you can easily download Visual C++ files on your PC. Once downloaded, install it and then try to launch the game and see if it is working or not. If not, the final solution is to reinstall Lego Voyagers game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option once again. After uninstalling the game, now restart your PC. Once your system restarts, now again launch Steam and reinstall Lego Voyagers game on your PC, and after that try to play it and see if it is launching now and you can play it without any further problem. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Lego Voyagers game crashing, not launching, not loading, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.